Shri Ganapati Sharada Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to all to chapter 3 of Avadhuta Gita along with singing of its lyrics with brief meaning. अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः अवधूत उवाच
गुणविगुणविभागो वर्तते नैव किञ्चित् रतिविरतिविहीनं निर्मलं निष्प्रपञ्चं गुणविगुणविहीनं व्यापकं विश्वरूपं कथमहमिह वन्दे व्योमरूपं शिवं वै.
Avadhuta said, the division of merit and demerit is completely absent in Brahman. Brahman is pure, unmanifested, and devoid of passion and dispassion. How can I worship that infinite supreme beatitude which is neither with attributes nor without attributes and is all pervading and omnipresent?
श्वेतादिवर्णरहितो नियतं शिवश्च कार्यं हि कारणमिदं हि परं शिवश्च एवं विकल्परहितोऽहमलं शिवश्च स्वात्मानमात्मनि सुमित्र कथं नमामि.
The supreme beatitude is eternal and devoid of colors such as white, red, and black. Truly, it is both cause and effect. I am indeed that Brahman which is free from diversity. O dear friend, how can I, the self, salute the self?
निर्मूलमूलरहितो हि सदोदितोऽहं निर्धूमधूमरहितो हि सदोदितोऽहं निर्दीपदीपरहितो हि सदोदितोऽहं ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोऽहम्.
I am uncreated and separate from creation, for I am ever present. I am unclouded and free from the cloud of Maya, for I am always manifest. I do not borrow light from another light, and I am also separate from the luminous objects, for I am self-luminous. I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
निष्कामकाममिह नाम कथं वदामि निस्सङ्गसङ्गमिह नाम कथं वदामि निस्सारसाररहितं च कथं वदामि ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोऽहम्.
Truly, how can I say that Brahman has desire or that it is desireless? How can I say whether it is attached or unattached? How can I say that it is unreal or that it is devoid of substance? I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
अद्वैतरूपमखिलं हि कथं वदामि द्वैतस्वरूपमखिलं हि कथं वदामि नित्यं त्वनित्यमखिलं हि कथं वदामि ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोऽहम्.
How can I say whether Brahman is non-dual or dual in its nature? How can I say whether it is eternal or non-eternal? I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
स्थूलं हि नो न हि कृशं न गतागतं हि आद्यन्तमध्यरहितं न परापरं हि सत्यं वदामि खलु वै परमार्थतत्त्वं ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोहम्.
Brahman is neither gross nor subtle, neither does it appear nor disappear. It is without beginning, middle, and end. There is no higher or lower in Brahman. Indeed, I am proclaiming the truth, the ultimate reality. I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
संविद्धि सर्वकरणानि नभोनि भानि संविद्धि सर्वविषयांश्च नभोनि भांश्च संविद्धि चैकममलं न हि बन्धमुक्तं ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोहम्.
Know it for certain that the sense organs and the sense objects are like clouds in the sky. Realize the shining one as neither bound nor free. I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
दुर्बोधबोधगहनो न भवामि तात दुर्लक्ष्यलक्ष्यगहनो न भवामि तात आसन्नरूपगहनो न भवामि तात ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोहम्.
O dear one, I am neither inscrutable nor inaccessible to the intellect. I am neither imperceptible nor inaccessible to perception. I am neither near nor impenetrable to sight. I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
निष्कर्म कर्म दहनो ज्वलनो भवामि निर्दुःख दुःख दहनो ज्वलनो भवामि निर्देह देह दहनो ज्वलनो भवामि ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोहम्.
I am that fire of knowledge which consumes all actions of the actionless Atman. I am that fire of knowledge which destroys all sorrows of the sorrowless Atman. I am that fire of knowledge which burns up all bodies of the bodiless Atman. I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
निष्पापपापदहनो हि हुताशनोऽहं निर्धर्मधर्मदहनो हि हुताशनोऽहं निर्बन्धबन्धदहनो हि हुताशनोऽहं ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोहम्.
I am that fire of knowledge which wipes out all sins of the sinless Atman. I am that fire of knowledge which destroys all attributes of the attributeless Atman. I am that fire of knowledge which annihilates all bonds of the unbound Atman. I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
निर्भावभावरहितो न भवामि वत्स निर्योगयोगरहितो न भवामि वत्स निश्चित्तचित्तरहितो न भवामि वत्स ಜ್ಞಾನಾಮೃತಂ ಸಮರಸಂ ಗಗನೋಪಮೋಹಂ.
O my dear, I am neither free from thought, nor am I with thought. I am neither separated, nor am I united. I am neither without mind, nor do I have a mind. I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
ನಿರ್ಮೋಹ ಮೋಹ ಪದವೀತಿ ನ ಮೇ ವಿಕಲ್ಪೋ ನಿಶೋಕ ಶೋಕ ಪದವೀತಿ ನ ಮೇ ವಿಕಲ್ಪಃ ನಿರ್ಲೋಭ ಲೋಭ ಪದವೀತಿ ನ ಮೇ ವಿಕಲ್ಪೋ ಜ್ಞಾನಾಮೃತಂ ಸಮರಸಂ ಗಗನೋಪಮೋಹಂ.
In myself, there is no such alternatives as delusion or lack of delusion, grief or lack of grief, greed or lack of greed. I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
ಸಂಸಾರ ಸಂತತಿಲತ ನ ಚ ಮೇ ಕದಾಚಿತ್ ಸಂತೋಷ ಸಂತತಿ ಸುಖೋ ನ ಚ ಮೇ ಕದಾಚಿತ್ ಅಜ್ಞಾನ ಬಂಧನಮಿದಂ ನ ಚ ಮೇ ಕದಾಚಿತ್ ಜ್ಞಾನಾಮೃತಂ ಸಮರಸಂ ಗಗನೋಪಮೋಹಂ.
I am never bound by the creeper of continuous birth and death, neither the immense joy of contentment nor the bondage of ignorance are in me. I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
ಸಂಸಾರ ಸಂತತಿ ರಜೋ ನ ಚ ಮೇ ವಿಕಾರಃ ಸಂತಾಪ ಸಂತತಿ ತಮೋ ನ ಚ ಮೇ ವಿಕಾರಃ ಸತ್ವಂ ಸ್ವಧರ್ಮ ಜನಕಂ ನ ಚ ಮೇ ವಿಕಾರೋ ಜ್ಞಾನಾಮೃತಂ ಸಮರಸಂ ಗಗನೋಪಮೋಹಂ.
The perpetuation of the world is the modification of rajas and not of me. The series of suffering is the modification of tamas and not of me. Happiness is the modification of sattva and not of me. I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
ಸಂತಾಪ ದುಃಖ ಜನಕೋ ನ ವಿಧಿ ಕದಾಚಿತ್ ಸಂತಾಪ ಯೋಗ ಜನಿತಂ ನ ಮನಃ ಕದಾಚಿತ್ ಯಸ್ಮಾದಹಂಕೃತಿರಿಯಂ ನ ಚ ಮೇ ಕದಾಚಿತ್ ಜ್ಞಾನಾಮೃತಂ ಸಮರಸಂ ಗಗನೋಪಮೋಹಂ.
I never performed any action which could generate anguish and misery. I never had a mind which could function by the contact of pain and pleasure. I have no source of ego in me. I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
ನಿಷ್ಕಂಪಕಂಪನಿಧನಂ ನ ವಿಕಲ್ಪಕಲ್ಪಂ ಸ್ವಪ್ನ ಪ್ರಬೋಧನಿಧನಂ ನ ಹಿತಾಹಿತಂ ಹಿ ನಿಸ್ಸಾರಸಾರನಿಧನಂ ನ ಚರಾಚರಂ ಹಿ ಜ್ಞಾನಾಮೃತಂ ಸಮರಸಂ ಗಗನೋಪಮೋಹಂ.
Both stillness and vibration, doubt and determination end in Brahman. Both walking and dreaming states, good and evil, terminate in Brahman. Both strength and weakness, mobility and immobility dissolve in Brahman. I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
ನೋ ವೇದ್ಯ ವೇದಕಮಿದಂ ನ ಚ ಹೇತುಕೃತ್ಯಂ वाचामगोचरमिदं न मनो न बुद्धिः एवं कथं हि भवतः कथयामि तत्त्वं ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोहम्.
Brahman is neither the knower nor the knowable. It is beyond speculation and logical reasoning. It is beyond the cognizance of speech, mind, and intellect. Then how can I tell you about Brahman, the ultimate reality? I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
निर्भिन्नभिन्नरहितं परमार्थतत्त्वम् अन्तर्बहिर्न हि कथं परमार्थतत्त्वं प्राक्सम्भवं न च रतं न हि वस्तु किञ्चित् ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोहम्.
Brahman is neither undivided nor divided. Indeed, it has no inside or outside. Brahman is not something which originated in the past and subsequently will cease to exist. I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
रागादिदोषरहितं त्वहमेव तत्त्वं दैवादिदोषरहितं त्वहमेव तत्त्वं संसारशोकरहितं त्वहमेव तत्त्वं ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोहम्.
Truly, I am Brahman, free from passion, jealousy, hatred, and the rest. I am that reality devoid of sufferings caused by physical, terrestrial, and supernatural agencies. I am that truth untouched by grief and misery of the world. I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
स्थानत्रयं यदि च नेति कथं तुरीयं कालत्रयं यदि च नेति कथं दिशश्च शान्तं पदं हि परमं परमार्थतत्त्वं ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोहम्.
How can there be the fourth transcendental state where there are not three states, waking, dreaming, and sleeping in Brahman? How can the four cardinal points of space exist without the threefold division of time? Truly, Brahman is the supreme abode of peace. I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as peace.
दीर्घो लघुः पुनरितीह न मे विभागो विस्तारसङ्कटमितीह न मे विभागः कोणं हि वर्तुलमितीह न मे विभागो ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोहम्.
In myself again, there are no such divisions as long or short, broad or narrow, circular or angular. I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
माता पितादि तनयादि न मे कदाचित् जातं मृतं न च मनो न च मे कदाचित् निर्व्याकुलं स्थिरमिदं परमार्थतत्त्वं ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोहम्.
I have neither mother nor father nor children. I have neither birth nor death nor desire. Truly, the supreme reality is unshakable and tranquil. I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
शुद्धं विशुद्धमविचारमनन्तरूपं निर्लेपलेपमविचारमनन्तरूपं निष्खण्डखण्डमविचारमनन्तरूपं ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोहम्.
Brahman is effulgent, absolutely pure, infinite, and beyond the intellect. It is unwise to think of the infinite Brahman as unpolluted or polluted, undivided or divided. I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
ब्रह्मादयः सुरगणाः कथमत्र सन्ति स्वर्गादयो वसतयः कथमत्र सन्ति यद्येकरूपममलं परमार्थतत्त्वं ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोहम्.
If the supreme reality is self-same and absolutely pure, how can there be so many gods such as Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva, or so many abodes such as Brahmaloka, heaven and earth? I am existence, knowledge, bliss and boundless as space.
निर्नेति नेति विमलो हि कथं वदामि निःशेषशेष विमलो हि कथं वदामि निर्लिप्तलिप्त विमलो हि कथं वदामि ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोहम्.
How can I say that the supreme reality is not this or not that it is endless or has an end, or that it is bodiless or has a body? I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
निष्कर्म कर्म परमं सततं करोमि निस्सङ्गसङ्गरहितं सततं विनोदं निर्देहदेहरहितं सततं विनोदं ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोहम्.
Though actionless, I am ever engaged in the highest activity. Being unattached, I enjoy the bliss of non-attachment. Being bodiless, I enjoy the happiness of bodilessness. I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
माया प्रपञ्चरचन न च मे विकारो कौटिल्यदम्भरचन न च मे विकारः सत्यानृतेति रचन न च मे विकारो ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोहम्.
The beautiful creation of Maya does not cause any change in myself. Neither crookedness and deceit nor truth and untruth can produce any effect on me. I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
सन्ध्यादिकालरहितं न च मे वियोगो ह्यन्तप्रबोधरहितं बधिरो न मूकः एवं विकल्परहितं न च भावशुद्धं ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोहम्.
Although I am beyond such time divisions as evening and morning. Still, I am never absent, although I am without differentiated knowledge, yet I am not deaf or dumb. As I am free from ignorance, I do not need purification of the mind. I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
निर्नाथनाथरहितं हि निराकुलं वै निश्चित्तचित्तविगतं हि निराकुलं वै संविद्धि सर्वविगतं हि निराकुलं वै ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोहम्.
I have no master, nor am I a master. Therefore, I am free from perplexity. I have transcended the mind. It has ceased to function, and therefore I have no perplexity. Know it for certain that all dualities have ceased for me. Therefore, I have no perplexity. I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
कान्तारमन्दिरमिदं हि कथं वदामि संसिद्धिसंशयमिदं हि कथं वदामि एवं निरन्तरसमं हि निराकुलं वै ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोहम्.
How can I say that Brahman is like a forest or a temple? How can I declare that Brahman is proven or doubtful? Truly, it is all pervading, unaffected, and motionless. I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
निर्जीवजीवरहितं सततं विभाति निर्बीजबीजरहितं सततं विभाति निर्वाणबन्धरहितं सततं विभाति ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोहम्.
Being devoid of matter and life, Brahman shines forever. Being without origin and seed, it exists forever. Being neither free nor bound, Brahman shines forever. I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
सम्भूतिवर्जितमिदं सततं विभाति संसारवर्जितमिदं सततं विभाति संहारवर्जितमिदं सततं विभाति ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोहम्.
Without origin, Brahman shines forever. Without phenomenal existence, it radiates forever. Without being destroyed, it exists forever. I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
उल्लेखमात्रमपि तेन च नामरूपं निर्भिन्नभिन्नमपि तेन हि वस्तु किञ्चित् निर्लज्जमानसकरोषि कथं विषादं ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोहम्.
O self, you do not have any name or form, even to the extent of mere illusion. There is no substance which is different or non-different from you. Why then, O shameless mind, are you grieving? I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
किं नाम रोदिषि सखेन जरा न मृत्युः किं नाम रोदिषि सखेन च जन्म दुःखं किं नाम रोदिषि सखेन च ते विकारो ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोहम्.
Why do you weep, my friend? For you there is neither decrepitude nor death. Why do you weep, my friend? For you there is neither birth nor misery. Why do you weep, my friend? For you there is no disease or modification. I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
किं नाम रोदिषि सखेन च ते स्वरूपं किं नाम रोदिषि सखेन च ते विरूपं किं नाम रोदिषि सखेन च ते वयांसि ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोहम्.
Why do you weep, my friend? You have no form. Why do you weep, my friend? You never get deformed. Why do you weep, my friend? There is no aging for you. I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
किं नाम रोदिषि सखेन च ते वयांसि किं नाम रोदिषि सखेन च ते मनांसि किं नाम रोदिषि सखेन तवेन्द्रियाणि ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोहम्.
Why do you weep, my friend? You have no physical existence. Why do you weep, my friend? You are not mental organism. Why do you weep, my friend? You do not have any sense organs. I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
किं नाम रोदिषि सखेन च तेऽस्ति कामः किं नाम रोदिषि सखेन च ते प्रलोभः किं नाम रोदिषि सखेन च ते विमोहो ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोहम्.
Why do you weep, my friend? You have no lust. Why do you weep, my friend? You have no greed. Why do you weep, my friend? You have no delusion. I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
ऐश्वर्यमिच्छसि कथं न च ते धनानि ऐश्वर्यमिच्छसि कथं न च ते हि पत्नी ऐश्वर्यमिच्छसि कथं न च ते ममेति ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोहम्.
How can you desire sovereignty when you have no wealth? Why are you seeking wealth when you have no wife? As you have no sense of ownership, what will you do with the wealth? I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
लिङ्गप्रपञ्चदनुषी न च तेन मे च निर्लज्जमानसमिदं च विभाति भिन्नं निभेदभेदरहितं न च तेन मे च ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोहम्.
The creation of the subtle and gross universe is neither for you nor for me. The shameless mind created the idea of diversity. There is neither unity nor diversity for you and for me. I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
नो वाणुमात्रमपि ते हि विरागरूपं नो वाणुमात्रमपि ते हि सरागरूपं नो वाणुमात्रमपि ते हि सकामरूपं ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोहम्.
Indeed, there is not an iota of attachment or detachment in your real nature. Truly, you have not the slightest form of desire. I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
ध्याता न ते हि हृदये न च ते समाधिर्ध्यानं न ते हृदये न बहिः प्रदेशः ध्यायं न ते हि हृदये न हि वस्तुकालो ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोहम्.
Truly, there is no one who meditates within your heart. Therefore, you have no samadhi. There is no meditation within your heart because there is no space without. Indeed, there is no object of meditation within your heart as there is no object or time. I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
यत्सारभूतमखिलं कथितं मया ते न त्वं न मे न महतो न गुरुर्न शिष्यः स्वच्छन्दरूपसहजं परमार्थतत्त्वं ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोहम्.
I have told you the quintessence of the supreme reality. There is neither you nor I, nor superior, nor teacher, nor disciple. The ultimate reality is simple and spontaneous. I am existence, knowledge, bliss, and boundless as space.
कथमिह परमार्थं तत्त्वमानन्दरूपं कथमिह परमार्थं नैवमानन्दरूपं कथमिह परमार्थं ज्ञानविज्ञानरूपं यदि परमहमेकं वर्तते व्योमरूपम्.
If I, the Supreme One, alone exist like space, how can I say that the Supreme Reality is blissful or not blissful? How can I say that it can be attained by knowledge or by realization?
दहनपवनहीनं विद्धि विज्ञानमेकम् अवनिजलविहीनं विद्धि विज्ञानरूपं समगमनविहीनं विद्धि विज्ञानमेकं गगनमिव विशालं विद्धि विज्ञानमेकम्.
Realize that non-dual consciousness which is devoid of fire and air, earth and water. Realize that non-dual consciousness which is neither mobile nor immobile. Realize that non-dual consciousness which is vast as space.
न शून्यरूपं न विशून्यरूपं न शुद्धरूपं न विशुद्धरूपं रूपं विरूपं न भवामि किञ्चित् स्वरूपरूपं परमार्थतत्त्वम्.
I am neither formless nor with form. My nature is neither pure nor impure. I am neither beautiful nor ugly. I am that supreme reality which shines in its own nature.
ముంచ ముంచ హి సంసారం త్యాగం ముంచ హి సర్వతా త్యాగాత్యాగ విషం శుద్ధమమృతం సహజం ధ్రువం త్యాగాత్యాగ విషం శుద్ధమమృతం సహజం ధ్రువం.
Renounce the mundane existence, and then renounce completely even that renunciation. Give up as poison the egoistic idea of shunning or accepting the world. You are pure, simple, firm, and immortal. इति श्री दत्तात्रेय विरचितायाम् अवधूतगीतायाम् आत्मसंवित्युपदेशो नाम तृतीयोऽध्यायः. Here ends the third chapter of the Avadhuta Gita of Dattatreya entitled Self-Knowledge.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಶಾರದೆ ದೇವಿ ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರ ಪುರವಾಸಿನಿ ತ್ವಾಮಹಂ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥೆಯೇ ನಿತ್ಯಂ ವಿದ್ಯಾದಾನಂಚ ದೇಹಿಮೆ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.